Good morning, this is Di. It's Tuesday and day 764 of rain. Alright, that might not be true, but it feels like it is. It has rained solid so long, and it rained overnight the last 2 nights. I'm kind of over the rain. How about you? Is it raining where you live? Are you ready for spring? Because this doesn't feel like spring. Well, I'm off work. It stopped raining for a second. I thought I'd bring my mom a few boxes for a move, but it looks like she's at the apartment. So how are you doing? What's going on today? And the light turned green. Darn it! Yeah, it was longer than this before.
It was 12 inches longer.
It was 12 inches longer, and now you're getting it cut tomorrow. Let's see what it looks like when you get back. Oh, it's all steamed up. Normal people would put butter in their potatoes, but I can't eat butter. And they put milk in their potatoes, which I can't have. So I'm not supposed to have mashed potatoes at all, except for Jerry, who's giving me the recipe so I can have them. But you do it.
That's vegetable bouillon.
Who's making it so I can have some?
Actually, it's more of a paste. Just made my bouillon cubes. We got at the farmer's market yesterday. No, today's Tuesday. Take that back. We got it 2 days ago. Jerry? Pork loin.
Pork loin. I can't eat beef either, so he compromises and makes pork loin for me. It's very sweet. And gravy. Pork loin, mashed potatoes, and asparagus. So dinner was good, and now I am running to the store. We have a birthday this week. I need to go take care of the card and such. Well, they didn't have exactly what I wanted at the last store, so I'm going into another store to see if they've got what I want, because now I kind of changed my mind about what I want. Fail, they closed while we were making dinner.
So these three are driving like idiots, over accelerating and changing lanes without enough warning because they're on motorcycles, so they don't have to drive like decent human beings. I just don't get it. Here they go. Trying again. At least this door is open. Gloria, it's a going out belt. She went out with a guy, gave her a belt like that. And he said she had to give it back when they broke up because it was a going out belt. I didn't see those necklaces. So many good things to choose from. Oh, I got what I needed, and they have a 30-day exchange policy, or refund policy, so I can bring them back if she's bought it while I was out shopping, which is totally a possibility. Ooh, there's a hint. Totally, for sure. I'm not giving it away yet. We have an interesting week coming up. It's going to be a lot of fun in the vlog. I wanted to show you this because it's a really weird circumstance. It just happened. In fact, I actually considered eating here for Mother's Day, but they were out of business by then. And I didn't know it. Apparently, Thursday, this restaurant, which had been in Chapter 11 protection from bankruptcy, moved over to Chapter 7 and shut its doors. It was quickly becoming one of our favorites. We'd run into a bunch of friends here. This is where we went for dinner for my birthday once. Oh, we went for my mom's too. So we would go do a movie across the street and come back here and have half-price apps, and it's gone. People are looking at me vlogging. But yeah, it just closed just like that. So it's crazy. Can't even believe it. Just gone. Hey, don't forget, tell me, is it raining where you live, or are you actually getting spring? Well, that's a short one because it's time for me to go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. God bless.